Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, in this question given that the probability that she owns a lawn mower is zero point 0.7 and the probability that she owns a weed worker is zero point 0.5 and given that the probability that she owns both lawn mower and weed worker is 0.3, that is probability of lawn mower intersection weed walker is 0.3. Here we have to find the probability that she owns either lawn mower or weed walker. That is, we have to find probability of lawn mower union weed walker. Using the addition rule, probability of A union B can be written as probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So here it is probability of lawn mower union weed walker is probability of lawn mower plus probability of weed walker minus probability of lawn mower intersection weed walker. That is 0.7 plus 0.5 minus 0.3. That is 0.9. So here the answer probability of either lawn mower or weed walker is 0.9. Hope you find the video useful. Thank you.